vision for Only the Brave is quite a cinematic one, because a lot of our audience weren't around during the Second World War, and I think the way we connect with war material, specifically the Second World War, is often through the war film and through our grandparents watching them on a Sunday.
My first ever professional job was the opening night of the Millennium Centre, and to be back there now doing this brand new piece, their first creative output as a house, it's really brilliant. I'm so proud to be part of it, it's wonderful.
The major function of the set and all the things we've got there are to tell the story. So quite often video and the way we're using kind of big moving contraptions on the set will help the audience be a step ahead. As the music finishes, they know who's there, they know what they're talking about, and they know where they are.
This is going to be on that epic scale. It's on that big stage in Wales. It's going to look pretty massive.
People reach during that time sometimes can only be expressed through singing, and that's the thing that happens in musical is when words aren't enough, you have to sing. The dangers are to glamorise war, and that's not what we want to make with this show. What we're trying to do is make a war that was our parents' and their parents' generation feel relevant to us.
It's really nice to have that connection with an audience, and obviously with a play or with a musical, you play your character's journey all the way through, and really that's great for an actor to be able to do that.
Music's epic, and we've got all these staircases that are moving around. I'm going to look forward to it all coming together and just going, wow, this is really living up to the image in my head.
It's a piece for everyone. It's a piece for young men and women, and it's for Nana and Grandpa to come along to and remember moments and then explain them to the grandchildren and the sons and daughters and say it was really like that.
3 words that describe this show.
Exciting.
Compelling.
Epic.
Important, relevant and thrilling.